Okay, I'm here at Glendale Grove, 6527 North 67th Avenue. And before I go into this property, I want to let you know that this place is very close to Westgate and the 101. So good shops, and you can get to where you need to go efficiently. Okay, take a look at this front area. Very nice here. You can see how light it is. You can see the nice fan here. And I'm gonna go probably out to the backyard next, but I want to show you this to you from this angle as well, so you can kind of get the feel for it, and then you can see that nice fan again. Well, let's take a look at this enclosed patio. It's one of the things you get with this property, and that's certainly nice. We'll take a look at it here, and then we're gonna go, I'm gonna back out on this so you can kind of get a view. Very interesting approach to do this, and that's very, very good. Okay, let's go back into the property now. And I'm gonna go into the dining area next. Take a look at this dining area. One of the things very unique about this property, wanted to show you this, is this skylight here. See, check it out. And you can check it out also to see how much light it's bringing into the property. One of the great functions of a skylight. Okay, let's take a look at this kitchen here. Looks good from here. And take a look. I personally like these cabinets. I think they're really nice, and they've definitely got a good color to them, and you can see this kitchen has a good feel towards it. Well, one of the things about the kitchen is you've got your microwave, you've got your stove, you've got your fridge, and you got your dishwasher. They all come with the property. We're not gonna take them anywhere. Now let's go to the laundry area, and we're walking through the dining area as we do that. And let's take a look at this laundry area. And one of the things I want to point out is you do get the washer and dryer as part of the perks of renting this property. It comes with the property. Again, we're not taking them anywhere. Now let's take a look at this area back of the property. It's where the guest bedroom is and the primary. So we're gonna go down the hall, veer left to the guest bedroom. Want to bring out this nice light in here, as you can see, and come up from this angle here. Take a look at the nice fan. Take a look at the closet, and now we're gonna go out of this room, and I'll show you the guest bathroom. Oh, look at this guest bathroom. It's got a full shower here. That's certainly nice. Let's take a look at this primary bedroom here. Let's show you the size here from this angle, and I'll show you the size here from this angle. And it's the same size, pretty nice size bedroom here. So let's take a look at how it looks from here. That looks good. And this closet's very spacious. Take a look at this. There it is. Well, if you're a clothes horse, this is the closet for you, because it is very big. Now let's take a look at the primary bathroom. Well, the primary bathroom, very light here. And why is that? Well, another skylight. Well, that's good. And then the nice cabinets that I like. And then you have a stand-up shower in here. Well, that concludes the tour of this property. Appreciate you following along with me. If you have any other questions, if you'd like to apply, you can go to rpmphoenixvalley.com. That's rpmphoenixvalley.com. And I thank you for watching, and I wish you a pleasant day or evening, wherever you may be.